In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your Bluetooth devices on your Windows 10 computer. So just as a general guide here, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, you can go back with settings, go ahead and select that. Select the devices button over on the settings page. And then there should be an item that says add Bluetooth or other devices near the top of this page. You can go ahead and select Bluetooth, mice, keyboards, pens, or audio and other kinds of Bluetooth devices. Wireless display or docks like wireless monitors, TVs, or PCs to use Miracast or wireless docks. And then you can also select everything else, which would include Xbox controllers with wireless adapter, DLNA, and more. Make your selection, and then you would select next, and then you just would follow along with the on-screen directions. Make sure your device is connected to your Wi-Fi settings before trying to run this connection. If it can't find it on your network, it's not going to be able to install it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.